Lewis, can I ask you to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Valenzuela. I have been 17 years at SAP, and I am running, managing global resellers, okay, in a program that we call Blue Sky program, which takes focus in helping our global resellers to grow faster.
When is the right time for a partner to invest in funnel mastery?
Well, I can speak about the cases that I have been living with our partners. And in our case, I think it has been when they feel the urgency to change, to do things differently, to approach the market in a different way. It's when they really are ready to spend time, okay, and effort, and of course, resources in building a new way of reaching the customers.
What do partners get out of making such a large investment in the time of their most senior leaders?
I think for me the difference is the alignment of both teams, the partner and SAP. The alignment is critical, and the commitment in the execution. That is the difference.
What's your level of confidence in the plan that we just built together?
100%. 100%. I am absolutely confident. Now we have to execute, but I am absolutely confident that the plan is what we should do.
What sort of partners should invest in funnel mastery?
Any partner that needs help to define the go-to-market for the demand generation. The go-to-market, how to create demand, how to reach the prospects. So any partner who needs some help to redesign the way to reach the prospects.
Lewis, always a pleasure to work with you.
Thank you very much to you. Thank you very much for these 2 days.